Look at that. I see all these cultural folk tales, dance, all of that that is unfolding as Prime Minister Modi's cavalcade passes on. Tell me about how Operation Sindoor today as well has found a certain resonance, reflection like we saw yesterday.
Well, Pooja, in the last 2 days, we are also traveling to different parts of Gujarat, and wherever we are going, we are only seeing huge posters telling about Operation Sindoor, telling about now as to how now it's a new Bharat, and Operation Sindoor is now the new normal and new policy of the government, and that's what is also being resonated in various programs of PM Narendra Modi. As we are speaking, any minute from now, we will also have that convoy in our frame where PM Narendra Modi is, seen holding a road show. He, along with the Chief Minister of Gujarat, is also there on that particular vehicle, and you can see how people are seen performing cultural dance. Garba is being performed. People who are taking part in this cultural program are seen holding tracker in their hand, chanting patriotic slogans, dancing to the tunes of patriotic songs, enjoying and celebrating, giving a rousing welcome to their beloved leader Narendra Modi, who is slowly and gradually is now inching closer towards the end point of this road show. And my video journalist Ankit Singh is zooming on the live visuals also. Pooja, you can see how Prime Minister is standing atop the convoy vehicle, where he, along with the Chief Minister of Gujarat, are waving at thousands and thousands of supporters who have gathered here at Gandhinagar, and they all are chanting Modi, Modi, and they all are congratulating Narendra Modi for the success of Operation Sindoor. And many of them are also seen holding Operation Sindoor posters. Many of them are also, seen holding posters talking about the valor, the courage of our armed forces. So this shows the kind of support the countrymen are now extending towards the government of the day, towards our armed forces, and that's why we are seeing wherever Prime Minister is going, he is receiving a grand welcome. Today is the day when he is going to inaugurate, in fact, take part in multiple projects worth rupees more than 5,000 crore. And right now, as we are speaking, these are the live pictures, Pooja, on your television screens. We have Narendra Modi along with Chief Minister of Gujarat, Bhupendra Bhai Patel. They are standing atop the convoy vehicle, and they are now moving towards the Mahatma Temple, and after that they will take part in another program. In the last 2 days, we have seen PM Narendra Modi starting his visit with Vadodara, from Vadodara to Dahod to Bhuj, then in Ahmedabad, and today he is here in Gandhinagar, the capital city of Gujarat. So here we have the leader of nation, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, who is now inching towards the end point of this road show, and after that he will also go in Mahatma Temple to take part in another programs. And right behind me, Pooja, these are the live visuals which we are right now showing of Narendra Modi, who is now very close in our frame, and he is now moving towards the Mahatma Temple, and there he is going to address some people of the nation. You can also see PM Modi waving at the supporters who all are showering flower petals at PM Narendra Modi, and with his both hands he is waving at the people of Gujarat, people of Gandhinagar, who have congregated in large numbers. PM is receiving their welcome along with Bhupendra Bhai Patel. We also have C.R. Patil. Interestingly, C.R. Patil is a man who is also the cabinet minister and a Jal Shakti minister. And remember, Prime Minister has been saying that हमारा पानी पाकिस्तान को नहीं जाएगा, and C.R. Patil had also he was also seen saying that एक बूंद पानी भी हिंदुस्तान का पाकिस्तान को नहीं जाएगा. So the man who is responsible for Jal Shakti ministry, he is standing on the right side of PM Modi, and the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he is also there, standing there, and you can see as to how PM Narendra Modi is now waving at the followers, the supporters of Narendra Modi, who are now present here in large numbers to extend their support to the government after the success of Operation Sindoor. And now, as we are speaking, PM has now concluded his roadshow for the day. And after this, he is now going to take part in a program where he's going to inaugurate multiple programs. He's going to dedicate programs for more than 5,000 crore to the people of Gujarat, which is certainly going to not only boost the economy of Gujarat, but also will give a lot of employment opportunities. So here we have PM Narendra Modi, who is now moving towards the Mahatma Temple, and after that the today will take place. It's a 2-day visit of PM Narendra Modi, in which he has been not only getting a grand welcome wherever he is going, but also he is dedicating projects worth rupees thousands and thousands of crore to the people of Gujarat. Pooja.
All right, incredible visuals coming in from Gandhinagar there. And but we'll also be tracking more on what this visit entailed. Why Gandhinagar? What is the significance, and how Prime Minister Modi and the government intends to push forward, especially infrastructure, with regard to Gandhinagar.